guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am on week 10, episode 2. Sorry, I'm filming these all in one day, so I'm getting confused. Today is fabric flips. So I'm still working on my journal for the lovely Debbie at Kip's Corner. Hi, Debbie. Again, I'm sorry if you don't want spoilers, turn it off now. But it kind of just is working perfectly to, make things for the journal that I'm working on. Which happens to be that one. So I am doing 3 today, but I've cheated by cutting everything up ahead of time. So this is going to be super quick. I'm going to just show you real quick which fabrics I chose and how I'm going to put them together. So my bottom layer, and I hope this works as a bottom layer. I'm second guessing myself now. Maybe we will make that the middle layer. I think maybe that's a better idea for sewing purposes. No, but I don't like how that looks. It's okay. It's gonna be fine. Anyway, so I have this piece of lace valance that I got at the thrift store. And then I have a piece of vintage floral fabric that will go on top of that. Now, my cuts are all wonky. Nothing is very straight. I am not concerned with that at all. If I feel like I need to, I can always trim it down later. And then I have a piece of vintage crocheted doily that's going to go on top of that. And then this is a piece of vintage, I think it was I want to say it was a pillowcase that I cut apart. And since it's so pretty on both sides, right, what I'm going to do is I am just going to sew the front part today. And then when I'm ready to put it on a page, I will actually flip this over the page, so it'll be pretty hanging over the other side. Does that make sense? Let me grab a piece of paper. Okay, so let's say this is my journal page, and it actually will be one of the journal pages. So I'm gonna sew this part today, and then I'm gonna leave this part just sort of hanging up on the top here, right? And then when I'm ready, I can sew that over the top so it's pretty on the other side as well. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, it makes sense in my head, and I think when you see it, when I'm finished with the journal, it will make sense to you. And I might add to this when I'm, putting the journal together. Who knows, I might add pieces of something or whatever. But right now, I am going to take this to my sewing machine, and I'm just going to sew right along the top of that design. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of, yeah, there we go. So I'm going to do that on all 3 of them, and then I'll come back and show you what they look like. And then honestly, this video will be over. So I'll be right back. All right, so can you believe it? I changed my mind. So I actually did this side on the front, and that way I can have this side on the other side of my page when I actually go to sew it in the journal. So yeah, there we go. They are all done, and then this part is still, unsewn, and I will sew that to the pages. So I hope you like that, guys. This was a really quick video, but sometimes that's okay. If you have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, this is pretty simple. Just layer up some fabrics that you like and that go with your project, and sew them together. There's really not a whole lot more to it than that. And then, like I said, I'll cut down, like this piece here is a tad tad long compared to the other ones. So, you know, I can just trim that. You know, I can do the same here, you know, whatever you feel like doing, whatever makes you happy, right? Just, yep, whatever makes you happy. And it doesn't have to be quote unquote perfect, because, you know, I'm in this case, I'm, you know, sort of making it shabby, anyway. So, you know, I don't mind if there's strings and, you know, all that kind of stuff. So, yep, super quick little video, guys. I hope it inspired you to do something crafty today, and I will be back soon with the next video in this challenge series, and I hope you have a fabulous day. I will talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.